Frugal friends, I'm Shanna with LifeFullandFrugal.com. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel. At LifeFullandFrugal.com, we teach you how to live a happier, healthier, and more beautiful life on less. From whole food recipes to gardening and home decor, we're your one-stop shop for all things full and frugal. If that sounds like something that you'd like to learn more about, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now so you never miss any of the good stuff that we have for you. Today I'm sharing a little inspiration for frugal winter comfort food. We'll be serving up hamburger steaks with mashed potatoes and gravy. Generously seasoned, these simple ingredients of meat and potatoes come together with the deep, rich flavors of gravy made with homemade chicken stock. So let's go get started. All right, y'all, hamburger steaks with mashed potatoes and homemade gravy with chicken stock. It is so good, it is so comforting. It is like a hug on a plate. It's such a simple meal, but we also need something green. So I wanted to give y'all a little bonus recipe while we're at it. So last week, I showed y'all how to make lacto-fermented garlic cloves and honey. And it's such an unusual recipe, so this week, I thought I would show you how to make a salad dressing out of those lacto-fermented garlic cloves. So check out this bonus recipe of honey-fermented garlic vinaigrette. Alright y'all, I hope you enjoyed this inspiration for frugal winter comfort food. If you make hamburger steaks with mashed potatoes and gravy, we would love to hear about it in the comments. And of course, all your comments, your likes, your shares, we appreciate those so much. They really do help us with the algorithm and all the social media platforms, and we really do appreciate it. Thanks again for watching, and we hope you have a wonderful day.